Hello. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Define opcode in IBM RPGLE. In this video, we'll delve into the details of using define to define variable names same as data area name, focusing on practical examples. 1. Before we dive into the example, let's understand how we create a data area DA. We will use CRTDTAARA command to create the data area which is shown here and provide the data area name, library where it should be created, its type and initial value that is 1000000000001. For better understanding, please check the video for the data area creation. Now let's explore how to use the define opcode to retrieve the value from data area DA, then change the value and then update the changed value back to the data area DA. We will first define the internal field DA same as the data area name with the help of define opcode. Here, DTAARA is used as factor 1, and field name DA is defined as result with length of 30. Now in operation with lock as the factor 1 will read the data area DA. As DA is also the result field of define opcode, hence the retrieved value from data area DA will be moved to the field DA. Then, the value of DA field is moved to a variable C. In the later point of the program, C is updated by adding 1 to the existing value and value of C is moved back to the field DA. Then as soon as we do out operation on the data area DA, the field value of DA gets updated into data area DA. We can check the data area whether it's updated or not, using the command dspdtaara, then take F4 and provide the data area and library name, then hit enter to check the data area. It's updated with the value 1000000000002. In conclusion, the define opcode in IBM RPGLE is essential for accessing and manipulating data area values similarly as our example. It simplifies data retrieval from data area and allows for efficient processing of business logic. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the define opcode in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insights. Happy coding!